You're watching Idiotic Ramblings with Life is Good. Come on.
All right, guys, here we go. For those of you who have followed me on social media in years past, you'll recognize this car from 7 years ago. My sister bought this car for her 50th birthday present, and we were going to halves. And here we are 7 years later, and it's now time for my half. 2 years ago, she was going to do it, give up her half, and I was take over my half, but she backed out because she knew I was going to build the car. And that's how the 2019 SS came about, that orange car. We'll link the video in the description there. And you guys go check out that video. That's how come that car came about. So we're going to build that 2019 to race against my son. And then my son totaled out his SS. Well, he now has another SS, and we now have another Camaro. So video of that coming up here in just a moment. We're going to put them back in the same spot we did the other video shoot and go over the cars. This car might look different. I think the video is actually going to take place Tuesday, Wednesday, and this car will have different wheels and tires on it then, because these tires are wore out and the brakes are wore out. So we're going to get that changed. And we'll go over that build process with you as we go. And anyway, so the son and I will have a couple cruisers to go to Walmart in. But now I gotta go take the old square body for a cruise on this beautiful sunny day. It's time to get some fresh air and put some gas in. The gas is low. It's not good to park one with an empty tank, so we're gonna go fill it up. See ya.